Welcome, I'm Global Adventures 247 and today we're diving into the culinary heart of New York City. 2025 is set to be a game changer. This isn't just about pizza or hot dogs. We're talking about a revolution on a plate, from fine dining to back alley joints. I'll show you the boldest trends and must-try dishes that will define the year ahead. Get ready. This is your all-access pass to the future of food in NYC. Let's get into it. New York's food scene is a battlefield of flavor, where every block is a new front line and every chef is a culinary warrior. The city pulses with energy, and nowhere is that more evident than in its kitchens, where the clang of pans and the sizzle of ingredients create a symphony of ambition. Here, only the most passionate and innovative survive, constantly pushing themselves to create something unforgettable. It's a place where tradition meets reinvention, and where every dish tells a story of risk, creativity, and relentless drive. In 2025, it's not just about new places opening their doors, it's a seismic shift in how the city thinks about food, community, and experience. The city's neighborhoods are alive with change, each one adding its own flavor to the mix. Chefs are honoring heritage and blasting it into the future with bold techniques, blending the old with the new in ways that surprise and delight. You'll see classic recipes reimagined with cutting-edge technology and family traditions elevated to new heights. The revolution is everywhere. Slice shops, taquerias, street vendors, all pushing boundaries and redefining what comfort food can be. From a humble slice of pizza to a taco bursting with unexpected flavors, every bite is a testament to the city's restless spirit. Diners are more adventurous than ever, craving not just great taste, but the stories and inspiration behind every dish. They want to know where their food comes from, who made it, and why it matters. Every meal is an experience, a chance to connect with the city's vibrant food culture. Sustainability and community are at the core, not just buzzwords but guiding principles. Chefs are forging relationships with local farmers, sourcing the freshest ingredients, and making sure every plate supports the people and places that make New York unique. You can have a Michelin-starred tasting menu one night, savoring dishes that are as beautiful as they are delicious, crafted by chefs who are true artists. And the very next night, you might find yourself in a tiny noodle shop, slurping a bowl of ramen or pho that changes your idea of comfort food forever. In New York, every meal can be a revelation. Around every corner there's a discovery waiting, hidden gems tucked away in alleyways, pop-up eateries that appear overnight, and legendary spots that locals guard like secrets. The city rewards curiosity and a willingness to explore. This is a culinary ecosystem at its peak, hungry, ambitious, and ready to show the world why NYC is king. It's a place where dreams are plated, and every meal is a celebration of what's possible when talent and tenacity collide. Keep this big picture in mind as we dive into the specifics. Each neighborhood, each chef, each dish is a vital part of the city's ever-evolving food story. This isn't just a list of hot restaurants. It's a snapshot of a city at the top of its game, a living, breathing testament to the power of food to bring people together and spark new ideas. Now, let's get to the good stuff. Get ready to discover the flavors, the faces, and the stories that will define New York's food scene in 2025. Here's what you'll actually be eating. Dishes that capture the city's energy, creativity, and endless appetite for something new. Let's get down to the must-have dishes of 2025. This year, the culinary scene is more adventurous, sustainable, and creative than ever before. Chefs and diners alike are pushing boundaries, seeking out new flavors, and reimagining what a meal can be. Whether you're a dedicated foodie or just love a good meal, these trends are shaping the way we eat, gather, and experience food in the city. Seacutery is making waves. Cured, smoked, and preserved seafood is taking center stage. Imagine a board filled with octopus salami, salmon pastrami, and even seaweed terrines. These ocean-inspired charcuterie boards are not only delicious but also highlight sustainable fishing and creative preservation techniques. It's a feast for the eyes and the palate, perfect for sharing or savoring solo. Root-to-leaf cooking is redefining how we use vegetables. Chefs are roasting whole cauliflowers until golden and tender, whipping up carrot-top pesto, and finding inventive ways to use every part of the plant. This zero-waste approach isn't just eco-friendly. It's inspiring a new wave of creativity in the kitchen, turning humble scraps into star ingredients. Bread is back in a big way. Bakeries are spotlighting heritage grains, house-milled flours, and slow fermentation. Bread is no longer just a side, it's the main event, with loaves that tell a story of tradition, terroir, and craftsmanship. Expect to see bread flights, creative spreads, and even bread-based tasting menus. Regional Mexican cuisine is going hyper-specific. From the deep, complex moles of Oaxaca to the fresh, vibrant seafood of Baja, chefs are celebrating the diversity of Mexican food like never before. Each dish is a deep dive into local ingredients, family recipes, and centuries-old techniques, bringing a true taste of Mexico's regions to your table. Desserts are taking a savory turn. Black garlic ice cream, miso caramel, and mushroom custards are just the beginning. These unexpected flavor combinations challenge our idea of what dessert can be, offering a sophisticated, umami-rich finish to your meal. It's a bold move that's winning over adventurous eaters and dessert lovers alike. Non-alcoholic pairings are shining brighter than ever. House-made kombuchas, sparkling teas, and clarified juices are crafted with the same care as fine wines or cocktails. These drinks are designed to complement each course, offering complex flavors and a sophisticated experience for everyone at the table. No alcohol required. Micro-restaurants are popping up across the city. These tiny chef-driven spaces offer intimate, highly personalized dining experiences. With just a handful of seats, every meal feels like a private event, and guests get to interact directly with the chef, learning the stories behind each dish. Fusion is being reborn with a thoughtful twist. Dishes like dashi cacio e pepe or panko-crusted Milanese blend global influences in ways that feel fresh and intentional. Chefs are drawing on their own backgrounds and travels to create plates that are both familiar and entirely new. Supper clubs are going mainstream, with pop-ups and ticketed events offering unique direct connections between chefs and diners. These gatherings turn dinner into an event, where every course is a conversation and every guest is part of the story. Every level of dining is innovating, from street food stalls to fine dining temples. No matter your budget or taste, there's something new and exciting to try as chefs experiment with flavors, formats, and experiences. The city is a playground for the senses, where every meal is a multi-sensory adventure. From dramatic tableside presentations to immersive food markets, dining out is about more than just taste. It's about sight, sound, and even touch. Every meal is a chance to discover something new, to be surprised and delighted by flavors you've never tried before. Chefs are inviting you to step outside your comfort zone and embrace the unexpected. The future of food is bold, sustainable, and delicious. Restaurants are prioritizing local sourcing, eco-friendly practices, and dishes that are as good for the planet as they are for your taste buds. So, are you ready for the next bite? The flavors of 2025 are waiting for you. Unexpected, unforgettable, and always evolving. Let's see what you'll be eating. The table is set, the city is buzzing, and the future of food is here. Let's get specific. Here are the dishes you need to try in 2025. Breakfast: gourmet beck on Japanese milk bread with heritage bacon and blowtorched cheddar. Lunch: jollof rice bowls with suya chicken, plantains, and fresh salad. Pasta sacchetti filled with burrata and lemon zest in brown butter and sage. Seafood: dry-aged duck fat poached fish, rich, succulent, and luxurious. Tacos: mushroom trompo, marinated spit-roasted mushrooms on fresh tortillas. Soup: sinigang na salmon sa miso, Filipino sour soup with salmon belly and miso. Snack: premium conservas platter, Spanish and Portuguese tinned fish with great bread and butter. Side: Hasselback butternut squash, roasted with brown butter, maple, and pecans. Dessert: matcha basque cheesecake, earthy, creamy, and perfectly balanced. Each dish is a masterclass in flavor and innovation. These are the meals that will define your year. Seek them out, savor every bite. The city's menu has never looked better. Let's talk about the experience. The revolution happening in New York's dining scene is about so much more than just what's on your plate. It's about the entire experience, the energy in the room, the stories behind each dish, and the sense of discovery that comes with every bite. Today's restaurants are reimagining what it means to dine out, making every meal feel like a special occasion, whether you're celebrating or just grabbing a weeknight dinner with friends. Culinary storytelling is at the heart of this movement. Menus are no longer just lists of ingredients, they're narratives, each dish a chapter that reveals the chef's heritage, inspirations, and the journey that brought the flavors to your table. Some restaurants even present their menus as storybooks, inviting you to read along as you eat. Dining rooms are designed to feel warm, personal, and authentic, like you've been invited into the chef's own home. From mismatched chairs to family photos on the walls, every detail is meant to make you feel comfortable and connected, blurring the line between guest and family. Hyper-seasonal menus are another defining trend. Chefs are building their menus around what's freshest at the market, changing dishes weekly or even daily. This means you might never have the same meal twice, and every visit is a new adventure in flavor, color, and texture. Third culture cuisine is taking center stage, as chefs blend their multicultural backgrounds into seamless, honest dishes. These aren't just fusion for the sake of novelty, they're deeply personal, reflecting the real stories and identities of the people behind the food. One must-try dish is the everything bagel scallion pancake. Imagine the crispy, flaky layers of a Chinese scallion pancake, but with the unmistakable flavor of a New York everything bagel, all topped with a dollop of chili crisp cream cheese. It's a playful, delicious mashup that perfectly captures the city's spirit. Another showstopper is deconstructed birria ramen. Here, the rich, spicy consommé from Jalisco's famous birria is poured over springy ramen noodles, bringing together Mexican and Japanese comfort food in one unforgettable bowl. Each slurp is a celebration of cross-cultural creativity. Fermentation forward is a theme you'll see everywhere. Take the short rib glazed with fermented black beans and served with tangy pickled greens. The deep umami and bright acidity make every bite complex and craveable, showing how old-world techniques are being reinvented for modern palates. Smoked mac and cheese is another must-try. Here, classic comfort food gets a bold upgrade as the pasta and cheese sauce are smoked, infusing every forkful with layers of flavor you never knew mac and cheese could have. And don't miss the garden-to-glass cocktails, like the tomato water martini. This drink is crystal clear, savory, and incredibly refreshing, a true showcase of how bartenders are using fresh produce and inventive techniques to surprise and delight. Every element, from the food to the service to the atmosphere, is crafted for connection and surprise. Chefs and staff work together to create moments that spark conversation and leave lasting memories. Across the city, chefs are pushing boundaries in every direction, experimenting with new ingredients, techniques, and ideas. The result is a dining scene that's constantly evolving, always exciting, and never predictable. These are the dishes and drinks you'll be talking about all year, the ones that fill your camera roll and your group chats. They're not just meals, they're experiences to be shared, remembered, and craved long after the last bite. In the end, the experience is as memorable as the food itself. These are the showstoppers, the dishes that define New York's latest culinary chapter, and they're waiting for you to take a seat at the table. Here are the showstoppers that will define 2025. Uni carbonara sea urchin and egg yolk sauce tossed with thick spaghetti, luxury and innovation in a bowl. Dry-aged beetroot, salt-crusted, aged, and sliced like charcuterie. Vegetarian decadence. Lamb shawarma on laffa slow-roasted lamb, fresh-baked bread, and vibrant sauces. Street food, elevated. Koji-cured black cod. Marinated, grilled, and deeply savory. Crispy fried sweetbreads, tempura battered, served with calamansi sweet-sour sauce and togarashi. Detroit-style pizza's cousin, focaccia-like dough, frico crust, spicy sopressata, hot honey, and ricotta. Savory queen amman parmesan and black pepper layered into a flaky, rich pastry. Modern cow soy duck confit, scratch curry paste, and delicate fried noodles. Interactive s'mores, house-made graham crackers, artisanal chocolate, and tabletop toasting. Each dish is a conversation starter and a social media sensation. These are the flavors you'll crave and remember. NYC's food scene is pure, unadulterated joy. Let's see what's trending citywide. 2025's food scene is a blend of tradition and innovation. Luxury is democratized, fine dining techniques in casual spots, great meals at every price. Chefs are showcasing their heritage, making the city's dining scene more diverse than ever. Sustainability is central, root-to-leaf cooking, whole animal use, and bycatch on menus. Must-try grilled yellowtail collar, crispy skin, succulent meat, and pure umami. Upcycled grain bowls, spent grains from breweries topped with roasted veggies and protein. Build your own modern mezzi mix and match vibrant dips, breads, and salads. Flavor-tripping desserts. Miracle berry fruit plate. Sour fruits taste sweet after eating the berry. Dining is more interactive, communal, and fun. Every dish tells a story of culture, sustainability, and creativity. Chefs are pushing the art of cooking forward. The city's culinary landscape is more exciting than ever. Keep your palate ready. The future is delicious. Now it's your turn. That's your whirlwind tour of NYC's food future. From charcuterie to interactive s'mores, 2025 is a dream for food lovers. Which trend or dish are you dying to try? Let me know in the comments. If you want more foodie forecasts and insider guides, hit subscribe and ring the bell. Thanks for joining me. Now get out there and eat well. Cheers.